Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris air filter. First, locate the air filter housing, typically a black box under the hood of your vehicle. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. You'll need a new air filter and a screwdriver, usually a Phillips head, to get started. Having the right tools makes this simple task even easier. This quick maintenance step can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. Depending on your Yaris model, you'll either unclip the latches around the housing or unscrew a few screws. Gently lift the cover to reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is positioned. This will help you correctly install the new one. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry if you're new to car maintenance. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. You'll likely see it's quite dirty, which is normal. Now, take your new, clean air filter and slide it into the housing, making sure it's oriented exactly like the old one was. It should fit snugly and sit flush within the compartment. This ensures proper airflow and filtration for your engine. A clean filter is crucial for optimal engine health. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back down. Make sure all the edges align perfectly. Then, refasten any clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring the housing is completely sealed. A tight seal prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. You've successfully changed your air filter. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.